Last night I felt a little off. Nothing dramatic, just one of those meh moods where you don't know if you are tired, sad, hungry, or all of three. And then I remembered something I read a while ago that your gut bacteria might be messing with your brain, which sounds insane, but turns out it's very real. Your gut is full of trillions of bacteria, literally trillions. And no, they're not just freeloaders. They help digest food, protect your immune system, manage inflammation, and even produce chemicals that your brain uses to regulate mood. This community is called the gut microbiome, and when it's healthy, you feel it. But when it's out of balance, things start to go sideways, and not just in your stomach. One of the fastest ways to wreck your gut bacteria is antibiotics. They are lifesavers, obviously, but they don't discriminate. They wipe out the good bacteria along with the bad. If you've ever taken antibiotics and then ended up feeling weird, foggy, or dealing with digestive chaos afterwards, that is why. You can also damage your gut by eating a lot of processed foods, sugar, alcohol, or just not getting enough fiber. Your good bacteria starve, the bad ones take over, and then the whole system breaks down. And it's not just digestion. Your gut and your brain are constantly talking to each other through the gut-brain axis, a literal highway of nerves, hormones, and chemicals. The bacteria in your gut can influence your mood, stress levels, and even how your brain functions over time. Some gut bacteria help produce serotonin, which is a key chemical in managing anxiety and depression. Others influence your immune system, which, when overactive, can trigger inflammation linked to brain disorders. Studies in recent years have started connecting gut health to Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's, autism, and clinical depression. The research is still developing, but the links are strong enough that scientists are now looking at gut bacteria as part of treatment strategies for mental and neurological health. So, how do you fix it? First, you feed your gut. It needs fiber, and lots of it. Think vegetable, fruits, legumes, and whole grains. Fermented foods help too. Yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso. All of these support good gut bacteria. And you want prebiotics, which are basically the food your bacteria likes to eat. Things like garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, and bananas. If your gut has been through a war zone, like antibiotics or a poor diet or stress, you can try probiotics, but they're not a magic pill. Some people benefit, others don't. What matters more is what you eat consistently. A diverse, plant-rich diet feeds a diverse microbiome, and the more variety you have, the more resilient your gut becomes. So yeah, next time you are feeling down or foggy or weird and you can't figure out why, it might not be all in your head. It might be in your gut. And it might be time to stop eating stuff your microbes hate. Got a weird midnight question keeping you up? Drop it in the comments and maybe it will be featured in a future episode. Until then, keep wondering. I am Mari and this is Midnight Question.